Hi, and welcome to this video where we will be showcasing spending insights. With spending insights, you can get a comprehensive view of your costs, track spending trends, and optimize budget management for smarter, more efficient financial decisions. You can understand usage and spending, so you can get a complete overview of your CICD spending and usage, providing you essential insights for effective budget management. You can detect trends over time, which means you can track how your spending changes over different periods, helping you spot important trends and patterns in resource usage. You can control spending on a project level, which means you can keep a close eye on how much each of your projects is spending on machines and artifacts. You can identify optimization opportunities, so you can look closely at each project and see how much they're spending on a monthly basis and find ways to cut costs. And you can also use all of this data to do budget forecasting and planning. So you can export all of this data into any business software that you're using and do forecasting and planning. Now, let's check this all out on Semaphore's Spending Insights dashboard. We are located on the Plans and Billing dashboard, where we can see a detailed overview of the spending costs throughout our organization. Here you can see the total spending, credits left, and also the monthly bill. So down below we have a graph where we can see how much we've spent on machine time, seats, and storage costs, and also any add-ons that we might be using. We can also filter this data and go back in time into another period to compare results. You can see over here that we've been spending most of our money on machine time, but we can also filter this data out to only see specific data over here, or also change it to a daily basis to see how much we're spending on a daily basis as well. Now, we can perform a detailed breakdown into spending as well. So let's see here, we can actually see the machine time. So how much we've spent on machine time, how much we've spent on seats and storage as well. Over here, we can see the usage on a per machine type basis, and we can also check trends here. So if we're spending more or less on specific types of machines. We can also export the data to import it into any business analysis tools we might be using. So if we check this project tab over here, we can see project spending on our top 5 active projects. And here we can also switch to a daily view in order to get a better overview of our expenditures. But we can also perform a deep dive into any of the projects specifically to analyze the data for that specific project. For instance, if we go into this one, we can see that we are having less workflows, but we are spending more on machine time and also less on storage. We can also see which types of machines we are using on this project, and also see if we are spending more or less, comparing the results to previous months. You can also filter here to a daily view, and you can also then see for each day how much you've spent on a specific machine and how many workflows were triggered. So this feature is super useful to check out the spending overview on your organization or on a per project level. So make sure you try it out.